wanna track the motion of your videos like this or like this? Not happy with this or like this? Stick around, I'll show you how. You are watching Earth's King and this is your Earth's King. So first of all, let's drag our footage into our timeline and let's stretch it out so it fits our timeline. So after that, let's drag our second footage and fit it into our timeline. After that, select the footage you want to edit and click on the motion tracking icon on Filmora. After that, you will see a box, the motion tracking box. So resize it the way you want it and align it so it looks better, and click on start tracking. It tracks the motion and repeat the same for the another footage. Lotus. After that, let's click on OK and go to the effects tab. Let's add one of the element. For now, I will add this boom effect or the element to follow the motion in our video. So let's resize it to the end of the video, and after that let's drag our playhead to the first one, and on the drop down menu let's select the effect that we applied and repeat the same for the second clip as well. So after that, you have to resize the element by locking the first video track and resize it the way you want and keep the place where you want the element to follow the motion. So in this case, I will keep it in the center of his bicycle wheel, and after that let's click on OK, and now let's play the video and do the same for the second one. So it looks cool. Let's press on OK, and then it looks amazing. So you can see here the motion is tracked the way we want it. So this was one of the main feature in Filmora that many people were asking for. So hope you enjoyed. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch my other videos listed down.